Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Measure each wall height and width with a tape measure and record numbers. Include window and door openings in your totals for accuracy. Calculate required rolls by dividing total wall area by one roll area and adding 5% for waste. Check the wallpaper pattern repeat and match direction before buying. Choose a paste type recommended by the manufacturer for your wall material. Buy primer, paste, a sharp blade, and a smoothing brush. Lay the roll flat and cut vertical strips, allowing 10 centimeters extra at top and bottom. Number strips to maintain sequence when matching pattern repeats across walls. Apply paste evenly to the paper or to the wall as the manufacturer recommends for your product. Fold pasted paper onto itself in a book fold and allow 5 to 10 minutes for paste activation. Keep workspace clean and avoid drying edges by working one strip at a time. Start the first strip at a plumb line and align the pattern carefully to the ceiling. Smooth each strip from the center outwards with a brush or plastic smoother to remove air pockets. Butt seams together without overlapping unless the product specifies overlap. Trim excess at top and bottom with a sharp blade and straight edge for clean edges. Clean excess paste immediately with a damp sponge to avoid staining the surface. Allow wallpaper to dry fully before reinstalling trim or fixtures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.